Tushar and I am teaching you maths of NCERT class 8. So now let's see question number 6 of exercise 8.3. Here telling Arif took a loan of 80,000 rupees from a bank. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, find a difference in amount that he would be paying after 1.5 years. Okay? If the interest is compounded annually and compounded half yearly. आरिफ किसी बैंक से लोन लेते हैं 80,000 रुपीज, 10% के रेट से, मीन्स इंटरेस्ट कितनी है, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज 10%, कितनी टाइमिंग क्या है 1.5 ईयर. ओके, अगर वो तो यू हैव टू फाइंड अ डिफरेंस इन इंटरेस्ट. ओके, डिफरेंस इन अमाउंट में क्या डिफरेंस आएगी. इफ ही टेक्स इफ द इंटरेस्ट इज कंपाउंडेड एनुअली, अगर इंटरेस्ट ईयरली एनुअली मीन्स कंपाउंड की जाती है फर्स्ट में, और सेकेंड में if interest is compounded half yearly, then what will be the difference in amount में क्या difference आएगा, that we have to find. Got it? तो उसके लिए first same we will do here, solution करेंगे for compounded annually के लिए. First principal you write down simply rupees 80,000. Rate is 10%. Time is 1.5 year. Okay. Amount is equal to what we have to find out. Okay. When there is such about question 1.5 year, तो 1 year को आप सेपरेट कर देंगे, हाफ ईयर को हम सिंपल इंटरेस्ट के थ्रू सोल्व करेंगे. So look here, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100N. Okay. What is P? That is 80,000 into 1 plus R is rate is 10 by 100, okay, and time N is 1 year. Okay. So now 80,000 into 10 will go with 10. So 10 1 10, 10 1 11 by 10. 10 will go with 10. 11 8s are 88 rupees. 88,000. 1 2 3 30. 88,000 is the amount. Okay. So what will be the CR? अब 1 year का compound interest कितना होगा, that we have to also find out. So CR is equal to 1 interest का compound interest क्या होगा, A minus P. What is amount? 88,000 rupees. And what is principal? That is rupees 80,000. That is rupees 80,000. Then what will be आंसर क्या आएगा, कितना CR, then that is rupees 8,000. 88,000 में से आप 80,000 माइनस करेंगे तो what will come, rupees 8,000. This is the compound interest. ये क्या है हमारा compound interest. अब now we will solve through a side. अब हम हाफ ईयर, this is हाफ ईयर ना, ये हाफ ईयर में 6 मंथ के हम सिंपल इंटरेस्ट निकालेंगे. So SI is equal to PRT by 100. Okay. What is principal now? अब हमारा principal, the amount will become now principal. अब जो हमारा principal है वो amount बन जाएगा. Amount क्या है 88,000. So 88,000 into rate is 10 and time is half year by 100. Sorry. This by 100. Got it? Now look here, this 20 will go with this 20. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8 and 1 0. Okay. When 440 is multiplied by 10, we will get 4,400. 440 को हम 10 से multiply करेंगे, what will come? 4,400 rupees. This is the SI, simple interest. Now we have to calculate total कितने interest बने. Total how many? What is the total interest? So total interest is equal to CI plus SI. CI plus SI. Compound interest plus simple interest. What is compound interest? Then that is rupees 8,000. And what is simple interest? That is 4,400. That is rupees 4,400. If you add 8,000 and 4,400, what will come? 8 for 12, that will be 12,400. क्या आएगा? 12,400. This is the total interest. So what will be the final amount? What will be amount? Amount कितनी होगी last में? Therefore total amount is equal to total amount means net amount. What? Find the difference in amount. हाँ. So net amount will be what? You know what? To find amount, you know what will you do? Amount find कर लेंगे हम क्या करेंगे? P plus I, principal plus interest. So what is principal? Principal क्या है हमारा? 80,000 rupees. 80,000. Net amount is equal to rupees 80,000 plus total interest P plus I. Net amount is equal to P plus I. Okay, principal plus interest. Okay, so principal is 80,000, interest is 12,000 rupees, 12,400. Got it? Then it will be 0 0 4 2 4 2 8 1 9 92,400. 92,400. 92,400 is the what? Is the amount that is compounded annually. जिसे हम annually compound करते हैं, 1 year पे compound होता है, ठीक है ना? So now this part is over. First part over हो गया. Now let's see the second part in which we have to find compounded half yearly. We have to find the amount if it is compounded half yearly. Okay. So now look here. For compounded half yearly compound करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? सेकेंड पार्ट. ओके. P प्रिंसिपल क्या है? रुपीज 80,000 एज इट इज. रेट इज 10%, बट सिंस it is compounded half yearly, so rate becomes half. 10 by 2 is equal to 5%. Okay. Time is 1.5 year. You know 1.5 year. क्योंकि ये half yearly compound होती है, तो 1 year में 2 half year and 1.5 year में 3 half year means 3 half year. 3 half years. Then that is equal to n is equal to 3. Got it? Now A is equal to हम find out करेंगे amount. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 as it is 1 plus R by 100 N. So what is principal here? That is 80,000 into 1 plus what is rate? Rate is 5 by 100 and N is 3. Now look here, 80,000 into 100 1 is 100, sorry 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 20. 20 1 is 20 plus 1, 21 by 20. 3 times 21 by 20. 21 by 20. Got it? Clear है? यहाँ तक तो समझ में आ रहा होगा. तो let's see. 1 0 1 2 1 2 3. This 3 0 will go with this 3 0. Okay. Now 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 14. 2 1 is 2, 2 20 is 40. 2 1 is 2, 2 10 is 20. Got it? Now look here. अब हम 21 means 10 into 21 into 21 into 21. Sorry, यहाँ भी नहीं. 10 into 21 into 21 into 21. Okay? Multiply करने हैं. Just look here. You know 21 को 21 से multiply करेंगे, what will come? 441. 441 को आप 21 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, then what will come? 441 को 21 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 441 1 is 441, 2 1 is 2, 4 2 is 8, 4 2 is 8, 1 4 2 6, 8 4 12, 2 carry 1 8 1 9. 9,261. 9,000, sorry, and 10 will be also added, so 92,610. This is the what? This is the amount if compounded half yearly. Now we have to find CI, compound interest. अब हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे compound interest. So let's see here. Now let me rub it. अब हम इसे रब कर देते हैं. CI is equal to A minus P. A minus P. So, find the difference in amount that he would be added. Here he is asking find the difference in amount that he would be added if he would be pay after 1.5 year if the interest is compounded half yearly. हमें तो simply find out करनी है amount. इन दोनों के amount में क्या difference आएगी that we have to find out. So first is amount this, ये हमारे amount 1 है compounded annually and this is amount 2 compounded half yearly. ठीक ना? So you know अब हम दोनों में difference find out कर देते हैं. Difference between, अब देखते हैं किसमें अमाउंट ज्यादा है. ये 92,610 कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली में, इसमें 92,400 ओके कंपाउंडेड एनुअली में. जस्ट वी सी हियर ओके दैट 92,600 इज मोर देन 92,400 मींस कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली इज द अमाउंट ऑफ कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली इज मोर देन द अमाउंट कंपाउंडेड एनुअली. बाय हाउ मच? तो हम इसे सब्ट्रैक्ट भी कर देंगे. 92,610 it is 92,610 okay, so 10 minus okay rupees 92,400. if you minus अगर हम इसे डिफरेंस निकालेंगे then what will come 92,600 400 is 210. difference is of rupees only 210. 210 की यहाँ पे डिफरेंस आती है. got it now? So here we have found it. So this is the difference. Hence the difference is rupees 210. You can write down if you want. Therefore, इसे रब कर लो. Let me rub it. Okay. Difference in amount. Difference in amount is equal to rupees 210. Got it? Clear है? So this is the answer of your question number. This is the solution of your question number 6. I hope you will be getting. थोड़ी complicated है, but you can do it. सिर्फ calculation में problem है. Otherwise the process is very simple. You know. Now let's take question number 7.